Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I just have a very quick tip for you guys. I get questions all the time about video creation. I get questions at least a couple times a week saying, hey Latasha, do you know what app made this Instagram story or this YouTube intro or this end card? And honestly, 9 times out of 10, I reply with, I don't know what app made it. I can probably make something on my bulky, expensive video software, but I don't know if there's like an app or a website that you guys can use to do something similar. Until today. So the truth is I do edit most of my videos using an expensive and bulky video software, and it does work. Like, it definitely gets the job done. But the thing is, if you're getting started with social media marketing for your clients, or you're trying to brand yourself or market your own business, you really don't need something that big and expensive to get started with. So I'm gonna share with you today a tool that gets a lot of those things done in a really nice, professional, sleek way without spending the same amount that I would spend for a bulky editing software or anything like that, or even paying a professional designer or professional editor or videographer for myself. So this tool is called Placeit, and it's web-based, which is great because using my video editor slows down my computer, it takes up memory, it is kind of a lot if you're just looking for something simple like a YouTube intro or an Instagram story. It's also really affordable. The video editor that I use, I think, is over, I actually don't know what the price is right now, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen just so you guys can compare. I bought it a really long time ago, but it's definitely very expensive. So this one is very affordable, and it's a nice solution for people who are looking to make videos, quick videos for their YouTube channel, for their podcasts, for their online businesses, for their clients, and I'm really excited about it. I think that it just adds a little bit of something to your account that really helps people remember you and your brand. So yeah, let's head over to my computer. I'm gonna show you a little demo of the tool, and you'll also see a preview of Friday's video. I made a little trailer for the Freelance Friday podcast episodes that I've been filming and recording and putting up here on YouTube, the direct to camera stuff. So once you're all logged in and set up, you'll just go ahead and hover over to videos. As you can see, there's a ton of other things you can do with this tool too, but we'll just talk about videos for now, and then click on intro templates. And then you can basically just choose from a bunch of different templates, which you'll see in a second here. There's all of these different kinds that really, all you got to do is customize, colors, logos, text that is overlaid on it. It's pretty simple. So I'm actually going to just choose a simpler one. I want to play around with some more of these, and I definitely will in the future, but I think I just chose a pretty simple one that I can use for all of my podcast videos, so I didn't want anything too crazy or flashy. So once you find the one that you like, you just click on it, and then you'll see that everything is pretty much just sort of a plug and play. First thing I'm doing here is uploading my logo. So I wanted to, that's going to be showing up at the very end. And then you can always preview what it's going to look like along the way, as you can see there, just by clicking that full preview button. So it's going to take a little bit to process the video, not too long, like under a minute, if that. And then it'll come back with a preview for me. Clicking on the disk icon will save it as well, so you can always save drafts and come back to them later on. So then you can really start playing around with the different fonts and different colors. Clicking on the fonts will allow you to choose from their fonts, which there are a ton of different options to choose from, and then you can obviously change what words are being presented on the screen. You can do all caps, lowercase, whatever it is that you want to do. So I'm switching that out here. And finally, you can adjust the colors just by clicking on the little color icons. These bars here are kind of the background colors, as you can see, so I'm adjusting these as well. You guys know me, I just like a good neutral look, so I'm just going to keep this pretty black and white for the most part, but you can play around with color as you would like. And then from there, you'll just want to click upload image to add in those background images, and you can go ahead and scale your images to size, to the appropriate size to fill up the screen, and preview it, see how that looks. And I added in 3 different images, so that's what those ones all look like. You can also choose from a bunch of different music. So they have a library of music that you can choose from. I used my default music that goes along with my podcast, so I didn't use this, but that is an option. And now let's take a look at the finished product. like I said, Placeit has a ton of other options for you guys too, for any creatives, social media marketing professionals. I love the end cards. These are pre-done. I took a long time to make my own end card, and yeah, it took forever and to get the sizes correct. So these are all size. Some of them are animated. I really liked this one that had the animated "thanks for watching" on there, which you can adjust any of the text on it as well. So you can put something else. You know, you don't have to put "thanks for watching." You can put subscribe or follow me on Instagram or whatever it is that you wanted. So yeah, they have a ton of different options. That's just for YouTube. Now they also have Instagram stuff. You can do mock-ups and designs and so many other things, logos, which is huge. So yeah, I'm really excited about this tool, and I am excited to hear what you guys think of it. All right, so that is it. If you are interested in trying out Placeit for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and do that. And if you have any questions about the tool, or need me to explain anything, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you out. As always, please thumbs up the video if this was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I post videos every single week, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.